Okay, for this problem in the practice problems, Unit 7, Lesson 8. So what they want you to do is find what is x, what is y, what is z, right? If you pay attention to the base number 2, 3, and 5, it pertains to these numbers here in this problem. So what we would do is simply break these down and say, okay, I'm going to do this as a actual expanded problem. So this is going to be 3 to the third power. Remember, this is those rules that we went over, times 5 to the third power, right? And this is just the beginning. So that's this one. I expanded this out. I did 3 to the third power, 5 to the third power. Also, you can say this is 15 to the third power. So if I had this, remember, my bases can be multiplied, but my exponent or my power just stays the same, because it's going to be 3 times 3 times 3. This is going to be 5 times 5 times 5. So I have 3 groups of 15 to the third power. Okay. So then I do the same thing for this one here. This is going to be 2 to the fourth power. I just changed the number. It's the exact same problem. I just changed the numbers by like 1 or something like that. Times 3 to the fourth power. Remember, different bases, same exponent. We went over this last week. So it's in the video as well. Different bases, same exponent, right? So we're breaking this problem down, and each individual problem we're expanding now. Okay, and then this is going to be 2 to the sixth power times 5 to the sixth power. Okay, now that I've kind of expanded this a little bit, I can actually put some multiplication symbols here. Okay, because all this is being multiplied. All this is multiplication. So now we're just trying to figure out what is my. So I'm going to combine. I can say combine like terms maybe. I have 2 times 2 to the 6th, which would be 2 to the 10th, right? So this now equals. Let's start with 3. So you take out your 5s and your 3s, right? All these. Now all the exponents are not the same. So then we go to our same base with different exponents. So if I'm multiplying 2 times 2, this is 2 to the fourth power. Actually, I'm going to do this easier. I'm going to copy this here. 2 to the fourth power, right? Times 2 to the sixth power. Okay? So I'm organizing it, right? My 2s, my 3s, and my 5s, I'm putting those together in groups. So 3 to the third power, right? Times 3 to the fourth power. Okay, got those done now. And my others, my 5s will be combined now. 5 to the sixth power times 5 to the third power. Okay, now that I have that, now that I have this here, so there's one rule we're looking at right now. We're looking at the same base, different exponents, right? So this would be the multiplication rule. Power. So if I'm multiplying my two bases together, what do I do with my exponents? You know this rule is I'm adding. So this is now going to equal 2 times 2. We're going to keep 2 as our base number since they're the same. And I have 4 and 6 as my powers. I add those. So this will be to the 10th power. Right? Very simple. Times. I have 3 to the third power, 3 to the fourth power. My base stays the same. I add my exponents. 4 plus 3 is 7. I have 5 to the sixth power times 5 to the third power. I add 6 and 3. I have now 5 to the ninth. And that tells me my x value would be 10, my y value would be 7, my z value would be 9. Does that make sense? Hope so. So we can see that now. X equals 10, y equals 7, z equals 9. And if you do this problem, I'd actually like you to do this like this. So it shows me that you know how you actually found out what x, y, and z are. This is pretty much all you're doing. So 3 to the third power, 5 to the third power, boom. 2 to the fourth power, 3 to the fourth power, boom. 2 to the sixth power, 5 to the sixth power, boom. Alright?